Hello everyone, my name is Kimi and I'm from MAT112 and my matrix number 2025402238.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Kifat Imtiaz. I am from AM110 and my matrix number is 2025875478. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Elia Evelyn Vanessa. I'm from AM110. My matrix number is 2025402154.
Ernie wants to invest 40,000 ringgit for 5 years. She has two choices. Bank A give 3.5% interest compound quarterly and Bank B give 4% interest compound monthly. To compare them, we use the compound interest formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T. For Bank A, the total after 5 years is about 47,640 ringgit. Okay. For Bank B, the total after 5 years is about 48,840 ringgit. Therefore, the better choice for Ernie is Bank B because it gives a higher financial return. Okay.
For question 2, we are calculating the present value using compound interest at two different periods. First, we work backwards from the future value of RM 10,000 using 4.5% interest compounded 6 times a year for 4 years. We get P2 RM 8,358.31. This become our value at S1. Next, we move further back 5 more years using 3% interest compounded 4 times a year. Using the compound interest formula again, X RM 7,198.09. So the original amount needed at the starting point is RM 7,198.09. That completes the calculation.
So, let's look at question 3. Rudy deposited 16,000 in an account at K compounded every 3 months. After 3 years, the amount is 18,500. Question 3a. Determine the total interest earned. So first, we need to identify the values. S is equal to 18,500. P is equal to 16,000. So the calculation is 18,500 deduct with 16,000. So the total amount is 2,500. The first step is 18,500 equal to 16,000 open bracket 1 plus K over 4 close bracket to the power of 12. Then you're gonna move the 16,000 to the other side. So 18,500 divided by 16,000 equal to open bracket 1 plus K over 4 close bracket to the power of 12. And then the total amount for divide is 1.15625 equal to open bracket 1 plus K over 4 close bracket to the power of 12. Then you're gonna move the power of 12 to the other side. So 1.01211719 at 4 equal to 1 plus K over 4. And then you're going to move the 1 to the other side. So 1.01211719 at 4 deduct with 1 equal to K over 4. And then 0.01211719 at 4 equal to K over 4. And then you're going to move the 4 to the other side. So it's going to be 0.01211719 at 4 times 4 equal to 0.0487. So K is 4.87%.
For question 4a, Amir bought a house for 850,000 ringgit. He paid 60% of 180,000 ringgit as the down payment, which is 108,000 ringgit. So the amount he actually borrowed from the bank is 850,000 ringgit minus 108,000 ringgit, which equals 742,000 ringgit. The bank charged 4.6% interest per year. Calculated monthly, this means the monthly interest rate is 0.046 divided by 12. The loan period is 30 years, which is the same as 360 months. Using the loan formula, the monthly installment comes out to 3,803 ringgit and 82 cents per month. For question 4b, to find out how much interest Amir pays over the entire loan period, multiply the monthly installment by the number of months, then subtract the amount he borrow. The total amount paid to the bank is 360 months multiplied by 3,803 ringgit and 8%. Then subtract the borrow amount of 742,000 ringgit. After calculating, the total interest he pays is 627,375 ringgit and 20 cents. So in total, Amir pays 627,375 ringgit and 20 cents just in interest over 30 years.
Amir buys a house for 850,000 ringgit. He used 60% of the 108,000 he got from selling his commercial lot as the down payment. Okay, so now which is 108,000 ringgit. So the amount he needs to borrow is 742,000 ringgit. The loan lasts for 30 years with monthly payment, which means there are 360 installment with an interest rate of 4.6% compound monthly. The monthly installment works out to about 3,828 ringgit. That is the answer for part A. Okay, now part B. We multiply the monthly installment by the total number of months to get the total amount paid. This gave about 1,378,000 ringgit. After subtracting the loan amount, the total interest Amir pay is roughly 636,000 ringgit. Okay. For part C, after Amir make his 288 payment, there are 7 to payment left. Using outstanding balance formula, the remaining loan balance is about 259,000 ringgit. Okay. For question D, Amir missed the first 5 installment. Each missed payment grows with monthly interest until the 6th month. When all 5 late payments are compounded and added to the 6th payment, the total amount he must pay in 6 months is around 20,300 ringgit. Okay, bye bye.
Now, let's take a look at the last question. Question 5. So we already identified the values. Now let's do the calculation. So the first step is 16,149.15 is equal to 488. Open bracket 1 subtract with open bracket 1 plus 0.0525 over 12 close bracket to the power of negative 12t divide with 0.052512 close bracket. Then you're gonna move the 488 to the other side. So 16,149.15 divided with 488 is equal to open bracket 1 negative 1 subtract with open bracket 1.004375 close bracket to the power of negative 12t divide with 0.052 over 12 close bracket. And then you're gonna move the 0.052 over 12 to the other side. So 33.09 open bracket 0.052 over 12 close bracket is equal to 1 subtract with open bracket 1.004375 close bracket to the power of negative 12t. So it's going to be 0.1447685 is equal to 1 subtract with 1.004375 to the power of negative 12t. And then you're going to move the 1 to the other side. So 1 subtract with 0.1447685 is equal to 1.004375 to the power of negative 12t. And then 0.855232125 is equal to 1.004375 to the power of negative 12t. And then we're going to use logarithm for the next step. So 12t is equal to log 10 open bracket 0.855232125 close bracket divide with log 10 open bracket 0.004375 close bracket. So it's going to be 35.82290,709. So T is equal to 3 years.